In this lecture, we'll talk about a key concept, which is the types of real numbers or subsets of the real numbers. Basically, this will just have a lot of different names and definitions. So first, we have real numbers. And the real numbers are any number that can be plotted on a number line. This is really any number you can think of. There are other kinds of numbers besides real numbers, but we're just focused there for now. The real numbers break off into two groups. The first group are the irrational numbers. And the irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be written in fraction form. They are not the ratio of two integers. Their decimal form does not repeat or terminate. You really need to find 3 to 5 examples, know them. But the very common ones are pi, the square root of 2, the square root of 3. Right? Any square root that's not a perfect square is an irrational number. The other subcategory of real numbers are the rational numbers. And these are any numbers that can be written as a fraction or as the ratio of two integers, or any number whose decimal form terminates or repeats. 3/4, 0.75, right? It terminates. 2/3, whose decimal form is 0.6 repeating, is a rational number. Now, some rational numbers are also integers. Right? Any of the integers can be written as a fraction. They can be written as themselves over 1. Right? All of the whole numbers, their opposites and 0, are integers as well as rational numbers. They're rationals because 2, as example, can be written as 2 over 1 as a fraction, and its decimal form, 2.0, terminates. Those are the integers. Now, some of the integers are also called whole numbers. The whole numbers are all the positive integers, 0, 1, 2, and 3, so on and so forth. Notice that all of the whole numbers are integers. They are also rational because we could write them all as a fraction, just putting them over 1, and the denominator would be 1, and they are all real numbers. And almost all of the whole numbers are sometimes referred to as the natural numbers. This seems to be the most ridiculous of the categories, but I'll mention it. The natural numbers, numbers that things occur in. I can have 1 of something, or 2 of something, or 3 of something. I can't really have 0 of anything. I have nothing then. So the natural numbers are the whole numbers, excluding 0. These are all of the different subsets that we will focus on